I hope everybody has come back. Only six participants, seven participants are there. Okay. Anyways, we are repeating the same thing only. We will hatch now HV winding also. I'm taking next one. So HV winding also we will hatch it. Okay, now I will hatch the insulation also. Insulation with solid. This one, and wooden pieces. Wooden pieces. For that wooden piece also, no. I think this is not. If this is not extended, then others will also not be extended. With respect to this circle right here. With respect to this circle and this. I'm deleting this wooden part. I will draw it again because it's not letting me hatch it. I don't know. I will do this mistake. So have you finished till here? Have you all finished till here? Please, you have to reply to me, otherwise I cannot keep talking on my own. Yes. Have you finished till here? People are not replying, so I will keep doing my work. So mirror. Now we will mirror it. How we will mirror it? What and all we have to mirror? We have to mirror this core windings. Okay, and this is my mirror line from here to here. Length. So I will get a complete core here. Now again, now you can make the proper core. So what will you do now? You can trim it. Trim. It will take little time for you to understand what and all is required and what and all is not required. Now, if you see, laptop only having. Oh. So we don't need this line also, and in between I don't need this line also, this line also, this line also, and okay, I will keep it. Okay. I will just delete this one. This one. Remove this. And this. Okay. Hmm. Now you have drawn till here. Now what we are going to do is, you can see the distance between the two cores is, or the two limbs is 160 mm. So I will use copy now. Copy, for copy, select all the objects, okay, till here. I right click. Base point will be my center of the first core. From here, I have to display it, I have to go 160 degrees. See, if I am moving my cursor, then you can see it is showing 160, 1.02 like that. It is difficult for me to go till 160 to make it exactly 160. So I will write here at the rate of 160, angle of 0 degree, enter. So you will get the code. Are you getting it? Then now I will trim my transformer. My drawing is complete. I will trim it. Whatever is required, I will keep it. Rest all I will delete. So I don't need this now. Just make a core first so that you are not confused. Okay. Now I don't need this line. This line. Okay, this can be deleted. This line. Then this line. This line. Why it has come double double? No, because we have done the mirroring, so that line has become double. That is okay, not a problem. Whatever you can trim, you can trim. Now escape, select the extra lines to delete. I don't need now construction lines also, I'll delete. One more thing, sorry, I forgot to hatch the core. So we will hatch the core now with standard hatching. This one, let us see whether it comes. See, it is coming diagonal, but when you see core, when you cut it from the top and you see it should be with horizontal line. So we will have to change the angle. I think 135 will work for it. Yeah. So you can see this scaling is too much. So we will increase the scaling also. I'll make it 30 and see. Okay. Let it be 30. It has gone up also, no? Because we have not deleted this one. So with what we will do trimming with respect to this line, we will remove this line and as well as okay, trim with respect to upper line, remove this line. Is anybody having doubt here? We are almost done with it. Yes, please. It will be good if you will tell me now. Yes, we are left with very small part, and you will be able to see the core here also when you are cutting it, right? So what will you do now? You will extend it from here to automotive on here. When you will cut the core from the top and see the upper part of it, you will be able to see from here to here also. We extend from here, this is this one, from here to. Yes, Dawood. Yes, Dawood.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you have turned
But
on your video?
by mistake.
Okay, I thought you have some doubt. My laptop now keeps hanging in between. Okay, so you have to draw the core here also. I draw on this object here and I am taking the point from here to here. You have to be very careful while drawing it. Okay, now do the hatching inside also. Not a close boundary. It is closed. With respect to this. Why I have extended here. Yeah, please try it. Okay. After doing this, you hatch it. That's it. Nothing much is left here. So it is done. Is it clear? Please say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you have to draw the side view also. So how will you draw the side view? Side view, what it will be visible when you will see the transformer from this side, from here to here, looking from right hand side of yours. You will see the core upside and downside, and that core is bound with the winding. And which winding will be visible? HV winding. Right. So what we will do? We will draw one line. We will just extend it so that we can get the height of it. Okay. And from here also. Okay. And then what I am going to do is I am drawing one vertical line also from here to here. Now exit it. Now you know that the width of the core as actually it is not given to you, but we have taken it as 56.8, that is 28.4. So what I will do, I will take the offset of 28.4 only, and I will draw it here to here. Fine. Then binding width is not given to us. So approximately I will take something. Suppose I will take it as some 100 enter. From this center line, go this side 100, go this side 100. Okay, and now see the insulation is here, winding is here. So from winding, I will draw a line. Again, from winding, I'll draw a line. Now again we will do, who is talking? Please, if you are talking with your family members, keep yourself on mute. Yes, please. If you are talking to your family members, keep yourself on mute. So this is the side view of your core of the transformer. Now core we have hatched with normal hatching. So 135 we took for horizontal lines. For vertical lines, I think 45 will work. Let us see. Yeah. So from the side of the core, it will be visible like this when you will see. Alright. And outside, I will be able to see only HV winding. Right. Because it is wrapped with HV winding. I think I have used this one for HV winding. I will put that. That's it. Anybody having any doubt here? Width of the winding, I don't, it is not given to you, the width of the winding. So you can take anything. So this is the end of your question number 2. We have drawn everything. I hope you all know how to give the dimensions. Please tell me, otherwise I will tell. Yes. Please tell whether you know how to give the dimensions or not.
No, ma'am. Can you please tell?
Go to the dimension. So firstly, we will give the radius and diameter of the circle. So from here, I have selected the diameter. Now click on the circle and pull it out. Pull it out. Okay. But you can see you are not able to see the dimension. So what we will do? How to go to modify? Yeah. Inspect. Here I one minute. Here you will go to in the standard, go to manage dimension style, go to modify. In modify, go to text, increase the text height. Suppose I am making it as 10. Okay, 20. Let us see what it goes to. 20. Then go to primary unit, set the precision to 2 decimal place only. It is enough. Symbol and arrows are there also. Give 20. Say okay. Close. Can you see? We are getting it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I think this 20 is too much. So again I'll go to modify. I go in the text and I will make it as 10 only. 10 was symbol and arrow also I will make it as 10. Say okay. Close. So it's fine. According to the diagram also it's looking nice. Anybody having doubt in this? So we will see the core. Go to home here, go to dimension, linear dimension we will select. Okay. From here linear dimension we select and go from this corner to this corner and pull it. So it is 56.8. That is what we have there. Correct? I hope it is clear to you. Anybody having doubt here? So like this you can mark all the dimensions. Yes, please reply to me. Any doubt anybody is having? Again, all of you write your USN in the chat box. Those who are there for the second session, write your USN in the chat box so that I can mark your attendance in the 39 students are there. Now everybody will come on me. Okay. Only 31 students, 32 students have marked the attendance here. 33. 34. Yes, anyone having any doubt? Kindly unmute yourself so that I can listen to you. Yes, please.
Dimension part.
Dimension part, you didn't get it? You want me to do more dimensions? Okay. So suppose I want to do the dimension for this core, that circle. I'll go in this annotation. Can you see that annotation? There on the rightmost, topmost right icon. There you can select linear dimension, aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter. What was given me in the question was diameter. So I will select the diameter. I'll click on the circle whose diameter I want to measure and I will pull it out and leave it. Click it. Okay. So you will get the diameter. Similar way for linear dimension, go to that same icon, select linear. Suppose I want to do from here to here, from here to here, pull it out. Oh, let us take half only so that we should know. We have taken is give you proper dimension. So here a dimension from upper point to the lower point. Why it is not? Okay. Again and again taking the center point on it. You will do it. So 57.9 it has come, but we have taken it as a 56. It has gone little outside here. That is why it is showing it as 59. I hope it is clear to you. From one point to another point, you have to drag the cursor and pull it down. 56.7. Is it clear? And to adjust the settings of dimensions, you have to go to annotate, and there in standard, go to manage dimension style. In dimension style, go to modify. In modify, you will set the symbols and arrows size, text size, and primary units. In primary units also, you will just set the this precision to 2 decimal places. That's it, nothing else. And then after setting all that, click OK. Close the modify toolbar and you will get. Yes, anything else? Yes, please, anything else? Yes, kindly unmute and tell anything else, otherwise we will close the class.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So can we close? All 39 participants can unmute. I will only unmute you. Then I will get to know what you people are actually doing. Yes, reply now. Is it okay? Everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
So shall we close now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Beulah ma'am will take extra class on Saturday. Okay. As this class has gone in practical class, so she will take theory class on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Bye for now. Bye.
No.